What's up, everyone? Travis Hegedus with InfinitySales10x.com. So I was out for a ride and a thought hit me. Throughout my career in corporate America, I used to talk a lot with leaders that I was helping grow and uh, teaching them to praise what they want repeated, right? You don't have to stop someone every time they do something wrong and correct that behavior. You don't even have to address the little things as they're happening to still see great positive results. Instead, you can take a totally different approach. You can praise what you want repeated, right? Well, as a salesperson, as an individual, when was the last time you praised what you want repeated? When is the last time you looked in the mirror and you said, dude, you rock? Hey, you just crushed that sale. Let's go do it again. Holy smokes, I can't believe I got past that objection. Nobody's been able to close that guy in 3 years. When is the last time you went to the mirror and said, you freaking rock, dude? Why wouldn't you? The better you feel, the more successful you're going to be. Don't wait for other people to make you feel great. You know your wins every day. As humans, we probably focus more on the things we're doing wrong and the things we need to grow and the things we need to change and get better at and improve. But why don't we stop, take a second, and recognize the most important person in our lives? You! If it's been a while, why don't you go take a look in the mirror and tell yourself how fantastic you are and what amazing job you're doing. Have an awesome day. And as always, if you want more of these nuggets, you can check out the Elite Sales Accelerator on School. The link's below.